So, the LuckyDrama app is basically marketed as a way to play games, earn rewards, and potentially withdraw money. But the big question is whether that money can actually make it into your bank account. The first thing I'd look at is the withdrawal requirements. Some reward apps make it easy to earn points but put a lot of conditions around actually cashing out, like minimum balances, verification, or additional requirements. I'd also be careful if the app asks you to deposit money, pay a fee, or complete purchases before you can withdraw your supposed earnings. That's a major reason to stop and investigate. So, can you withdraw your money from LuckyDrama? Don't assume that an in-app balance automatically means you can cash it out. Check the current withdrawal rules, minimum threshold, supported payment methods, and independent user experiences first. Overall, I'd be cautious with any app promising easy money from simple games. If you're considering LuckyDrama, test the withdrawal process without putting significant money at risk. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.